Hello students, in this video we are going to solve square root of 4 power 20 minus 2 power 21 plus 1 and divide by 2 power 20 plus 2 power 11 plus 1. This is equals to 2 power x minus 1. Here we will find out the value of x. First look carefully inside the square root. Here first we will simplify this numerator, and numerator is 4 power 20 and minus 2 power 21 plus 1. Now 4 power 20 is same as 2 power 2 bracket power 20, and here we will apply this rule a power m bracket power n. This is equals to a power n bracket power m. If we apply this rule, then this is same as 2 power 20 bracket power 2. So here 4 power 20 is same as 2 power 20 bracket power 2 minus 2 power 21 this is same as 2 power 20 plus 1, and this is same as, by using this rule, a power m plus n. This is equals to a power m times a power n. If we apply this rule, then this is same as 2 power 20, here 2 power 20 times 2. So this is same as 2 times 2 power 20, and if we multiply it by 1, then number is not changed, plus, and this one is same as 1 square. Now if we substitute 2 power 20, this is equals to a, and 1, this is equals to b. Then 2 power 20 is replaced by a square minus this is 2, and 2 power 20 is same as a, and this one is b plus, and this one is b square. A square minus 2 times ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. Here a minus b whole square, and we know that value of a is 2 power 20. So here 2 power 20 minus value of b is 1 bracket power 2. So value of this expression is 2 power 20 minus 1 whole square. So square root of this expression is same as 2 power 20 minus 1 bracket whole square, and divide by, now solve this denominator part. Denominator part is 2 power 20 plus 2 power 11 plus 1. 2 power 20 plus 2 power 11 plus 1. Now 2 power 20, this is equals to 2 power 20 is same as 10 times 2, and if we apply this rule, a power m times n, this is equals to a power m bracket power n. Then this is same as 2 power 10 bracket power 2. Now 2 power 20 is 2 power 10 bracket power 2 plus 2 power 11 is same as 2 times 2 power 10, and here if we multiply it by 1, then number is not changed, plus this one is same as 1 square. If we substitute 2 power 10, this is equals to a, and 1 is equals to b. Then 2 power 10 is replaced by a, then here a square plus 2, this expression is a, and 1 is b plus b square. This is same as a plus b whole square, and we know that value of a is 2 power 10 plus value of b is 1 whole square. So denominator part is 2 power 10 plus 1 whole square. 2 power 10 plus 1 whole square, and this is equals to 2 power x minus 1. Now we know that square root of a over b, this is equals to square root of a over square root of b. If we apply this rule here, then we can say square root of 2 power 20 minus 1 whole square, and divide by square root of 2 power 10 plus 1 whole square, and this is equals to 2 power x minus 1. Now square root is cancelled out by this square and square root is cancelled out by this square. Then in numerator we have 2 power 20 minus 1 divided by 2 power 10 plus 1, and this is equals to 2 power x minus 1. Now this 2 power 20 is same as 2 power 10 bracket power 2 minus, and this one is same as 1 power 2 and divide by 2 power 10 plus 1. This is equals to 2 power x minus 1. Now here we will apply substitution. If we substitute 2 power 10, this is equals to a and 1 is equals to b. Then in left hand side, a square minus b square divided by a plus b. A square minus b square divided by a plus b, and this is equals to 2 power x minus 1. In numerator we have difference between two squares, that is a plus b times a minus b and divide by a plus b, and this is equals to 2 power x minus 1. Now a plus b and this a plus b is cancel out. Here a minus b, this is equals to 2 power x minus 1, and we know that value of a is 2 power 10 and value of b is 1. So this a is replaced by 2 power 10 minus b is replaced by 1. This is equals to 2 power x minus 1. Now if we add both side plus 1, then in left hand side this minus 1 and plus 1 is cancelled out, and this minus 1 is and plus 1 is cancelled out. Here in left hand side we have 2 power 10 and this is equals to 2 power x. Now base is same, it means power is also same, so we can say x is equals to 10. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.